Hi guys, Nathan Santiago here. And for today's video, papakita ko sa inyo yung nabili kong radiator cover sa SEC. So they gave me a good deal. So mataas yung discount na nakuha ko for this item. And it is a radiator cover. So this will replace your stock radiator cover. It comes complete with the screws and the spacers. So on how to install it, watch this video. So ito yung item from SEC. So kitang-kita agad yung radiator cover na nabili natin. And inside is another small plastic containing yung screws and yung spacers. So this is the radiator cover. And actually may kabigatan siya and may kakapalan. So actually tinimbang ko siya and mas mabigat siya dun sa stock na cover. So ito yung mga screws na tatanggalin natin. Make sure na tatanggalin natin mabuti and keep natin for future usage. Baka gusto nyo kasi bumalik sa stock, tabi natin. So ayan na yung itsura niya pag wala yung cover. So tandaan nyo, meron tayong 3 screws na tinanggal. So tabi natin yan for future usage. And in time, actually ginagamit kasi natin yung motor, so may possibility na mag-accumulate to ng dust and other particles. So kuha kayo ng soft brush and linisan nyo na lang din accordingly. And try to inspect also yung surrounding area kung may leaks, just to be sure na before nyo ikabit yung bago is na-inspect nyo kung merong leaks. So ito yung luma, ito yung bago. So open na natin yung small plastic na kasama yung spacers. Ayan, 3 set. So magkakaiba siya ng sukat. Yung screws merong magkakaibang sukat din, pati yung spacers. So tingnan nyo mabuti kung saan ikakabit bawat isa. So yung pinakamaliit na spacer and screw, sila yung magkasama. Yung pinakamahabang spacer and yung pinakamahabang screw, yun yung magkasama. So yung may iwan yung gitna. Make sure to follow this accordingly kasi hindi magiging pantay yung radiator cover ninyo. Check nyo mabuti yung mga sukat. So yung pinakamaikli sa lower left corner, yung gitna is sa lower right corner, and yung pinakamahabang pair is dun sa upper left corner. So make sure to follow this instruction kasi hindi talaga magpapantay ang radiator cover nyo kung hindi nyo masusunod to. So una natin ikabit yung nasa baba. Actually, pwede nyo unahin yung nasa taas para hindi kayo mahirapan. Pero for this, naunpasahan ko na kasi yung lower left kaya dinire-diretso ko na. So ikabit nyo muna pero wag mahigpit kasi hindi nyo maikakabit yung pangatlong pair pag hinigpitan nyo na agad. So kailangan yung magbigay ng space para makapasok yung spacer and yung screw. So after nyo na maikabit, make sure na meron kayong tool na to, yung parang flower type or yung star type na pang lock, kasi ito yung gagamitin nyo para mahigpitan yung screws. Hindi ko alam kung shoot dito yung allen pero since meron akong ganitong klaseng tool, yun na ginamit ko para sure. So higpitan ninyo mabuti para hindi aalog or hindi mahulog or hindi malaglag yung radiator cover ninyo. Make sure na mahigpit. So naikabit na natin siya ng maayos and I hope nasundan ninyo yung instructions on how to do this. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed watching this. And always ride safe guys. Don't forget to wear your helmet and drive safely. Bye bye guys. Thank you.